Good morning from Los Angeles, 9:30, Saturday, April 20th. I've been noticing something. Is it true with you guys as well? It doesn't seem like I get too many direct pings anymore with Uber. With Lyft, yes. With Uber, no. Uber seems like they're putting everything on trip radar now, where all garbage trips go to die, as far as I'm concerned. And unfortunately, they are all getting snapped up before I can even take a look at them. Is it the same in your city? Is that what Uber is doing now? Basically putting all trips for auction. Like the CEO of Uber said, we're sending trips according to the driver's behavior. So basically they know exactly what you accept, what you don't accept. And they're showing it on trip radar. It's like an auction, telling people, oh, look at this, don't miss it, click on it. And then if you show it to 10 people at the same time, obviously somebody is going to grab it. And that's what's happening in LA. So let me see if that's going to happen again today. I call this trip radar fear of missing out competition. So here's my Uber app. I'm in mid-city, busy area, gray clouds. Obviously we don't get surge anymore. So I'm gonna turn the app on and let's see what we get. So I'm online on finding trips, and actually I will do a trip. There is one. See, trip radar, 13 minutes for $5. No thanks. I mean, pretty decent, but no. This is what's happening. I'm not getting actual pings. It's all mostly trip radar. Now I'm gonna also find. Oh, there's another trip radar. See, look at this thing. $3.65 for 11 minutes. No, thanks. It's okay. And yeah, and then it got snapped up. See, there's nothing left on trip radar. I mean, who grabs this $3.65 trip in a hurry? Now I can understand somebody with a Quest may do that. Oh, there's another trip radar. It's going to LAX. $16 even. Interesting. For 41 minutes. And it got snapped up. See what I mean? Just nuts. Oh, there's my first ping. Look at this. 25 minutes for $9. What is happening here? Really, I don't know. Are the pings like this in your city? So I have three trip radars and one actual ping. Oh, there is another actual ping. So now we're 3 for 2. This is for 22 minutes for $8. No thanks. I'm actually going to do a trip if I get one going north-ish towards my house, because I just dropped my daughter off at Cedars-Sinai Hospital for her 8-hour shift. There is another trip radar right there. 32 minutes for $11. There's 2 of them actually. This is kind of going towards my destination, but I'll hold on. It's going through the canyon. No thanks. Look at this one. 30 minutes for $11. I mean, pings are there, right? But so I had 2 actual pings. No, 3, I think. 2 or 3 actual pings, and the rest were on trip radar. And now, oh, there is another trip radar going all the way to the beach. 38 minutes for $14. And about 13 miles. No, that's the wrong direction. I don't want to go there. There's one more on trip radar. See? Pretty much everything is on trip radar. This one is 16 minutes. And that last one went on trip radar, got snapped up. There, see all those trip radars? There's more trip radar right here. Right? And they ping me with it. No thanks. I mean, 16 minutes of work for $5.85. So all I'm saying is I'm seeing a lot more trip radars coming from Uber. Lyft, not so much. See, there's more. Look at these trip radars. This one is going almost an hour. See how fast it's getting snapped up? All it is, 18 minutes for $6, 20 minutes. So 3 of those if I can do, right? What is that? 20 bucks max. See how fast they're getting snapped up? It's incredible. There are so many drivers. See, more trip radar. Going to LAX. 41 minutes for 15 bucks. I don't get it. Why trip radar, right? I mean, it makes kind of sense of what I'm saying. This is Hunger Games. See, more trip radar. Perfect. I'm not going to take it, but do you guys see what I'm trying to say? They're creating Hunger Games. They're showing it to multiple drivers, creating this kind of auction, and somebody's going to grab it. Yeah, there's another trip radar. I love this video today. 25 minutes for $8.56. Wow. I mean, dollars per mile, great. Well, not great, $1.50-ish. But time to dollars is ridiculous, or dollars to time. But again, mostly trip radar. Like, very few actual pings. I don't know how Uber designates this, right? I don't know how they decide to put it on trip radar or send you the actual ping. Because in the old days, they used to send the ping to the closest driver. Yep, there is another trip radar. See, everything is going to trip radar. 80% of the orders are going to trip radar. Not interested, and it got snapped up. See where it says trip radar 0? And even if you do, see, there's another trip radar, another LAX trip. See how fast it got snapped up? Oh, there is more. Look at these. 2 more trip radars. This is going to be a perfect video. See? See how they're getting all snapped up? Incredible. Anyway, so I just wanted to prove a point that I'm not crazy, that I'm seeing pretty much everything go to trip radar for Hunger Games and fear of missing out. And they pinged me with it. 47 minutes going to LAX, Tom Bradley, 462 packs, no thanks. So I don't know. Are you guys seeing this in your city as well? Is everything going to trip radar? There goes another one, trip radar. See how fast it got snapped up? Look at that. Look at that. I'll bet you anything over 10 bucks is getting snapped up. People are not even looking at it. See, 2 more on trip radar. All trip radar, bro. See, that trip nobody took. Somebody, the LAX trip, they put it on trip radar. Somebody grabbed it. Incredible. Anyway, so you all be safe out there. See? And then out of the blue, Surge shows up. I'm not even sure what they're doing. Look at that. There was gray clouds. Now Surge shows up. Okay. All manipulated, all simulated. We're in this gamified world. But you all be safe out there. Please join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern for Show Me the Money Club. Yep, there's more. Look at that. 3 of them. 3 of them. 3 trip radars. Look at these. Look how fast these are going to get snapped up. Proves my point. One got snapped up already. See, there's 2 still there. They're getting snapped up. I mean, I'm telling you. See, look at that. Proves my point. A lot of hungry drivers. A lot of trip radars. Uber is making a killing. You all be safe out there. Please, please be safe.